When we look at the past 100 years of Saft, we have always been at the forefront of creating the future technologies. Saft was founded in 1918. Our very first contract was for SNCF. Our batteries powered electric luggage trolleys around the Gare de Lyon in Paris. It's what we can call an early application of mobile technology.
The technology revolution we're going through now will be far more important than the Industrial Revolution, and it's being powered by batteries.
We make batteries that last for 18 years in space. You just have this amazing feeling in looking at this huge launch vehicle that your battery is actually in there. There's no choice for failure. These satellites save lives.
Scientists persevere. They still have the will to succeed and to push us to look to a better future. Every scientist that I know has ideas. All we have to do is listen.
I'm always amazed at the technology, where things evolved from. I can't even imagine what the first person who made the first battery would think if they were here today and could see what things have evolved in over the last 100 years. It can power something magnificent.
In 2005, we built up with NiCad cells the largest battery ever built in the world. Quite an achievement, and we are very proud of it.
Of course, that's what we are always looking for, the ultimate battery that gives you everything, more powerful, more energy, more reliable. It's our own imagination that sets the limit.
This is the reason we're going to be around another 100 years, is because we continue to look to the future.